Sharky's Auto Glass of Cary, North Carolina is a family-owned auto glass repair shop. We understand that windshield and other auto glass damage always comes unexpectedly at the most inopportune times. Our mission is to help you decide what the best solution is. We will decide if your windshield can be repaired, or if it needs to be replaced. Once the solution is determined, we then help you get the problem resolved, quickly and professionally, and at the best price possible. We can also help you with your insurance claims. If you have insurance on your glass, in many cases we are able to get you prices lower than your deductible. Being a family-owned auto glass shop, we take a lot of pride in our work, and stand by all of our repairs 100%. We give a lifetime warranty on all of the labor against water leakage, air leaks, or any other problems related to the repairs. All of our technicians are highly experienced, and hold very high standards. So call us today at 919-422-8397 for a free windshield quote today.